This person in Mexico makes $200,000 a year from a WhatsApp group. How does he do it? And what's so special about this WhatsApp group? This person is named Paco, and he lives in Mexico. He is one of the best public speakers out there in Mexico. And he realized that a lot of people in his community want to become him. They want to become public speakers just like he is. They want to be good in front of crowds. They want to not have anxiety. They want to feel confident. He has the skill and the knowledge. So how did he monetize it? Well, first of all, he created a NAS.io community. It's very simple, it's free. In that NAS.io community, he connected it to a WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group is where people talk to each other. It's where people engage. People use WhatsApp all the time. So NAS.io connected with WhatsApp, and now he charged access for this WhatsApp group. So if you want to access this WhatsApp group to get tips on public speaking and get events and all that valuable information he's curating, you have to pay $50 a month. It turns out 333 people are willing to pay that as of today. That is roughly $20,000 a month just from managing a WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group is moderated by Paco. He's running events on a regular basis on how to become a speaker, how to get confidence, how to sell, and all that stuff that helps you in your professional life. And you make friends in that WhatsApp group. It's a win-win for the creator and for the member. And so what's the big idea here for you? You can make money from a WhatsApp group. This was not possible before. You can say this group is for people interested in design, or this group is for politicians, or this group is for entrepreneurs. And to access this WhatsApp group that is very exclusive, you have to pay a monthly fee. People across NAS.io are gating their WhatsApp groups because they're spending a lot of effort in moderating it and providing value. We see WhatsApp groups for finance tips. We see WhatsApp groups for live events in London. You can make a WhatsApp group for anything in the world, and it doesn't stop there. NAS.io works with Telegram, with Discord, with an email newsletter, and with WhatsApp. This is the big idea that I think can be helpful for you in your journey of making money from the internet and from building community. Thank you so much for using NAS.io. We are here to help you. Any other questions? Just go to NAS.io and then we'll be more than happy to help.